Welcome to a Lumber to Love how-to video. This video will show you how to assemble the Breadboard X table. Step 1. Locate the hardware bag attached to one of the bases. In that bag you will find 4 pocket screws, 8 wood screws, 8 washers, 1 square bit, and 1 star bit. Step 2. Assemble the base. The easiest way to assemble your table is to start with the table on the floor with the bottom facing up. Place one base on the table and line it up with the marks on the table. Ensure the hole on the base is facing towards the table as shown. Using your star bit and drill the wood screws and washers through the holes on the base into the table. Repeat this step on both sides of the base. Next, take your other base and place it on the table with the center beam hole facing up. Grab your center beam and place the dowel on one end into the hole in the base. Using your square bit and a drill the pocket screws through the holes in the center beam into the base. Repeat this step on both top and bottom of the center beam. Now, take your connected base and center beam and flip it up, inserting the other side of the center beam into the base attached to the table. Take your final 2 pocket screws and drill them through the center beam into the base. To finish the assembly of your table, take your star bit and remaining 4 wood screws and washers. Again, line up the base with the marks on the table and drill the 4 wood screws and washers through the base into the table. Now your table is ready to be flipped over. Grab a family member or friend and flip the table onto the base, and you're ready to go. To clean your new table, use a wood-safe spray and wipe down with a microfiber cloth. For more information on cleaning and maintaining your table, visit our website at www.lumbertolove.com. or follow the link in the caption below. Thank you for purchasing one of our tables. We hope you and your family enjoy it for years to come.